happiest people in life are the givers, not the getters. Sometimes we think happiness comes from getting more money, more praise, more attention. But real happiness, it often comes from giving your time, your help, your care. It's about being there for someone without expecting anything back. You feel a different kind of joy when you see someone smile because of something you did. It's not about being rich or having it all. It's about knowing you made a small part of someone's day better. Givers make the world feel less cold. They remind us that kindness still matters. And even when life feels unfair, givers choose to show up with a heart full of love. So if you want to be happy, try giving more. Not because you have to, but because you want to. The reward? It's a kind of peace and joy that things can't give you. Only people can.